Good morning. Welcome back to my 43rd BU series. So, today my inspiring word is CCD. What is? I repeat, CCD. So, Samsung started as a grocery store. Lamborghini started with a tractor. IKEA started with a pen. And the great company LG Life's Good started with a facial cream. The moral is here: your start doesn't determine your finish point. The journey is always on. No matter how big or small you start. Your commitment, your constant effort, and your determination. That's what I told. CCD. Commitment, constant effort, and determination brings the desired outcomes. So, the takeaway message: day one or one day, you decide. Thank you. Have a fantastic week.